so welcome back to my channel Has School Library. So I hope everyone are safe and healthy at your home. So today our concept, I hope by seeing the thumbnail you all have got. So today I'm gonna do a 3D model of coronavirus. So coronavirus, I don't want to give any definitions because you all know, so I don't want to make any different and I don't want to make it. So without wasting the time, let me go into the video. So yeah guys, so this is the type of coronavirus 3D model. So I hope you all liked it. So I'll just keep aside because we have to speak. So yeah guys, so I hope you all like the video. It's all about what I can say. You can use the bubbles, the thermocol. You can use it small also, big one also. It's your wish. I have used thermocol. I think so in the video you thought it's a pulse, but it's not pulse. It's a thermocol. So yeah guys, so if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you feel this is helpful to someone, please share the video, and if you want to say some suggestion or appreciation, please say in the comment box, and for more updates please subscribe to our channel School Library. Meet you in the next amazing content. Till then, bye bye, take care. School Library. So without thought of the day. Safety from corona is hidden in corona word itself. C. Clean your hands. O. Off from gatherings. R. Raise your immunity. O. Only sick to wear mask. No. N. No to handshake. A. Avoid rumors. Stay alert. Stay healthy. Beautiful life skill.